Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Daily Dialogue, where we help you speak smart and think global. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sophie. Today, we're exploring something that brings people together all over the world: celebrations. From birthdays to cultural festivals, graduations to New Year parties, celebrations are everywhere.
In this episode, you'll get vocabulary and phrases to sound natural, idioms that make you sound fluent, stories that teach real context, cultural facts that spark curiosity, writing and speaking practice, a quiz, a challenge, and more.
So stay till the end, hit like if you love learning English, and subscribe. And remember, share this video so your friends can join our global learning family. Ready? Repeat these words aloud to train your pronunciation and rhythm. Party, celebration, bash. Festival, parade, fireworks. Anniversary, graduation, baby shower. Ceremony, gathering, reunion. Host, guest, invitation. Toast, speech, dance floor. Decorations, balloons, streamers. Cake, candles, gift, surprise.
Now let's see phrases in action. We threw a huge party for his graduation. They hosted an anniversary dinner. Everyone gathered to watch the fireworks. She gave a speech that moved everyone. They cut the cake together to celebrate.
Tip: notice the verbs: throw a party, host a dinner, cut the cake, give a speech. Using the right verb makes your English sound natural and idiomatic.
Idioms add color. Try these. Paint the town red to celebrate wildly. The life of the party, the most fun person. Have a blast, have lots of fun. Kick things off, to begin something.
Examples: we kicked things off with music. She was the life of the party, making everyone laugh. I had a blast at the wedding.
Challenge: write a sentence in the comments using one of these idioms. We'll read and highlight some next time.
Let's travel the world through celebrations. Diwali, India, a festival of lights celebrating good over evil. Families light candles, decorate with colorful rangoli, and share sweets. Carnival, Brazil, famous for parades, costumes, music, and dance that fill entire cities with joy. Lunar New Year, China and other countries' red envelopes, dragon dances, fireworks, all to bring luck and start fresh. Midsummer, Sweden, dancing around a maypole, flower crowns, and outdoor feasts that honor nature. Thanksgiving, USA, a day for family, gratitude, and food, especially turkey. Eid, Muslim countries marked by prayer, visiting family, and sharing food and gifts.
Every celebration has meaning. Some honor history, some family, some nature or religion, but they all bring people closer.
Now your turn. What's your favorite celebration? How do you celebrate? We'd love to learn from you.
A few years ago, my family planned a surprise birthday for my dad. We decorated the living room, invited his closest friends, and prepared his favorite meal.
Did he know?
No. When he walked in, everyone shouted surprise. He was so happy, he even cried a little. We spent the evening telling stories, taking photos, and dancing.
That's beautiful. Shows that love and thoughtfulness mean more than expensive gifts.
Exactly. What about you watching? Tell us in the comments. A time you planned or received a surprise celebration. Your stories inspire others too.
Let's write together. Describe a celebration you love. Include: what event was it? Who was there? What did you do? How did you feel? Why was it special?
Example: last year, my family celebrated Lunar New Year. We cleaned the house, cooked special dishes, and exchanged red envelopes. It made me feel proud of my culture.
Post your paragraph below. Writing helps turn thoughts into words, a key skill in English.
Talking about celebrations usually means using the past tense. Examples: we decorated the hall. She baked a cake. They danced all night.
Practice with us. Last weekend, fireworks. They, dinner together.
Grammar helps structure stories clearly, making you easier to understand.
Let's practice. I'll invite you answer. Hey, I'm having a graduation party on Saturday. Can you come?
You could say, yes. Thanks for inviting me. I'd love to come. I can't, but congratulations.
Now switch. You invite us. Practice out loud or with a friend. Let's go deeper into why celebrations matter. It isn't just about food, music, or photos. There's something bigger happening.
Right. Psychologists say celebrations help us create and protect memories. When we gather to celebrate, we're actually building a shared story we can remember together.
And think about the small traditions too. Even lighting a candle on a birthday cake carries meaning. It marks another year of growth, hope, and wishes for the future.
In many cultures, celebrations honor the past and look to the future. Weddings, for instance, often include symbols, rings, vows, dances that show commitment and connection to family history.
Plus, celebrations bring belonging. Whether it's dancing at a festival or just having cake in the living room, it says, you're part of us. You matter.
There's also the fun side. Celebrations can break routines, reduce stress, and remind us that life isn't only about work or study.
Exactly. Even sharing food at a celebration has deep roots. Anthropologists say eating together shows trust and helps build community.
So next time you're at a party, think, you're not just having fun, you're also keeping your culture alive, connecting hearts, and making memories that last for years.
And by learning the language of celebrations, you're ready to join those moments anywhere in the world.
Now, let's turn it over to you. This week's challenge is more detailed. Describe a unique celebration from your culture or your family.
Here's what to include so your answer teaches others too. The name of the celebration, when and why it happens, what you do, food, clothes, music, special rituals, how it makes you feel or why it's special.
For example, you could say, in my country, we celebrate Mid-Autumn Festival. We eat mooncakes, watch lantern displays, and spend time with family under the full moon. It makes me feel peaceful and proud of my heritage.
Or, we have a harvest festival every autumn. Everyone brings dishes made from fresh crops, we dance, and grandparents tell stories. It connects young and old.
Sharing your tradition helps others learn English and discover new cultures. And your comment might inspire someone else to ask about your country.
And here's a fun twist. Challenge a friend to share their story too. Then reply to each other. Practice reading and writing English together.
So, type it below, and don't be shy. Your culture deserves to be heard. And if you enjoyed this, remember to like, share, and subscribe so even more learners can join our global classroom.
We're excited to read your stories and maybe share them in the next episode. Question 1. What does have a blast mean? A. Eat fast. B. Sleep late. C. Have lots of fun.
Question 2. Which celebration often uses dragon dances?
Question 3. True or false? The life of the party means someone who is boring.
Write answers in the comments. Test yourself.
Today we learned a new vocabulary and idioms, real stories and cultural facts, grammar in action, writing and speaking practice.
And why celebrations, big or small, help us feel human, connected, and grateful.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so even more learners can join us.
Thanks for watching the Daily Dialogue. See you next time.